Hey everyone, it's Lions Location up moving on. We are at Opossum Creek's boat ramp right here. I wanted to show you the boat ramp from here far. How nice the parking lot is. Now on this side they have a high water ramp over here, which is down past that big ramp. We got nice parking out here. Everything blacktop, real big parking lot. And we're gonna call it quits for today. This is us.
Here at Opossum Creek, they have a kids fishing pond, and the rules here, it's restricted to people with disabilities, which is nice, and children 16 and under. But there's also an archery range off to the left, and then there is a 3D trail, which you can see the marker there, and you can see the animal there. I don't think we're going to follow the whole trail, but you can see it goes back around the pond. There's another orange sign back there, and there was another one up by the front, and the archery trail is over behind those trees. And they have this fishing pier with rails, which is nice because it's for kids and people with disabilities. So it seems very safe. They have a bunch of picnic tables here as well. And some beautiful shade trees. When it's even shaded. Oh, how nice. Really nice. There was nothing on that sign like there was at Magnolia Ridge that told what kind of fish were in the pond. So I don't know, but I would think bluegill for sure. Yeah. Perch maybe? Here's where the trail, the 3D archery trail continues back through there. It goes around back through. The archery trail is off to the left here. So I think it goes on around. That was a nice dance move.
Yeah, I know. She keeps bending me around like I'm
Yeah, I know.
I've seen a frog.
Oops. She got a little excited. Oh, she gets freaked out too easily. What? I know. That's why I was trying to get out from under those trees. Oh, there goes a deer. That was a real one.
That wore out that
Been up there in a heartbeat. Easy, easy.
There he's heading that way.
Opossum Creek has so much to do. There's boating, fishing on the lake and the kids' fishing pond, archery on a range and a 3D trail, an amphitheater for programs, nice shaded RV sites, and awesome tent sites with amazing views. All of this is only a 5-minute drive from Shelbyville, Illinois. You really need to check it out. So from Dana and Linus, we hope you enjoyed this video and will consider supporting our channel by joining as a member. Remember, the best is yet to see.